Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be working on this 2010 Mazda 3. The problem that we're having is the lights on the gear select are not lighting up, so we must have a blown light bulb. So today I'm going to show you how to change that. Okay, to get to this light bulb here, we're going to have to take this off and this off. So what you want to do, pull up your e-brake and just grab right here, pop it up, just pull that right out. Then for this, you want to unscrew your shift knob. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pry up on this. There we go. Be careful, it is plastic. If you push something down in here or do like I'm doing and reach your hand in here, you can move this so we can move it out of gear. This will give us more clearance. And then we want to pull outwards. And now we have a connector. Okay, so I took this off, just pried these up and let that come off so I could show you this a little bit better. But if you look here, that is your light right there. And what you gotta do is you gotta come in here, turn it to the left like that, pull it out. Once you do that, all of this can come out. So now then, this is what the bulb looks like. Ours is burned out, so we're just gonna, so we just pull it right out of here. And there we go. Now we'll come back once I have a replacement bulb. Okay, if you go to your local parts store, you can easily pick a replacement bulb up. Here's the one I got from Advance Auto, 2721. Now then, with your factory bulb, it comes with this little red cover right here, and we want to take this off because that's what changes the color from a white to red. So we just want to carefully pull that off. Now go ahead and put it on your new one, and there we go. Now we can go put this back in the car. Okay, so we want to turn our car on and turn the lights on. Okay, so we're just going to take this and put it back in there. Most LEDs are only work one way, but this one works both, so it doesn't matter how you put it in there. It's ready to go. Okay, as you see, there's two notches, so you gotta line this up with it, and we'll just stick it back in there. Once you get it in there, you gotta twist it to the right, make sure it locks in, and we're good to go. Okay, so at this point, like I said, I took this off. You don't have to take this off. I just needed it for camera angles, so I'm gonna have to put that back on, take it back out of gear. If you look right here, there's a thing, if you push to the side, they'll let you take it out of gear. This will give us room to put this back in, but before we do, we want to snap all this black piece back in. There we go. There we go. It all snaps right back together. I want these front pins to go underneath. There we go. Just like that. Put it back in park. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and put the shift knob back on. It's as simple as just putting it on and spinning it down. You just want to go until it gets tight. Okay, so now we just want to open our glove box, slide that back down, and push it into place, and we're good to go. So now we'll come back at night and check it out. And here's the after. And that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.